We got the grapes. Let's throw some grapes at chickens. Put the grapes right there. The chickens and the Daves. We call the Guineas Dave. Love grapes. Watch them. It's the best remedy. Try and get out in this sunlit area over here. And these grapes, these are good grapes. I'll have that one, they'll go share. Sometimes the Daves, they get trapped in their run. That's okay. What is going on up here? They go a little bit crazier for the little grapes because they can eat them so fast. These are really big grapes. Look at that chicken stuck in the run. It's a little bad for him trying to throw him grapes, but we can bounce one in there close. There you go. She saw it. Nice. Alright, we got 2 grapes left. Bunch of guineas up in the woods. Don't know what they're doing. Okay. That's 2 grapes, and then we're gonna go see what those guineas are doing. And then the stem goes to nature. Okay. What are they doing in there? Let's see if there's more eggs there. Got a drop down here. Okay, we're good. Ooh, it's muddy. What are y'all guys? What are you doing? There got eggs in here? What are you doing? You see these little folks? They love it up here. You can barely see anything. I know they got eggs up here, we just can't find them. Look at them. There's Raven. She's in love with Jeff. Alright, I'm gonna go check the egg spot one more time. We gotta clean the coop today, but not right now. So this is where we found eggs earlier. Like the first time we found eggs, it was over here. These little impressions. But then, today, we walked over to the other side because Jeff saw a chicken hiding in that brush down there. Yeah, all the way down there. And there was 3 eggs in there. One was fresh. The other 2, not so fresh. So we're gonna try let him out of the coop and into the coop and run in the morning between 8 and 9:30 when we normally do. Yeah, Bellamy's into it. And then leave him locked in the run until like noon. to try and get some eggs. We're gonna get some type of something down in the run floor because they've destroyed it. Not chicken. It's just a dirt disaster. What up, chicken? Hi. I love you. This one's about to fuck my leg. Fluffy butt. Chicken time. Come here. Hi, pretty girl. Oh, I got to pet you. You sweet chicken. Hello, Raven. This is our sapphire gem and our fattest bird. Oh, honey, I mean it nice. She has the fluffiest butt. Let's see if we can get a shot of this booty. Don't shut up. So this is the coop we're cleaning out later today. It is a disaster. Look at that poop pile. Gross. They're nasty. We found eggs under here. These chickens need to get their lives together. Alright, well, that's it. We'll be back later. Clean out the coop. Enjoy some chicken time. All day, every day. 10 times louder than a guinea. I promise you. Roosters are annoying.